So in this video, I want to go through some examples of solving equations where we've got an x on both sides of the equal sign. So let's take a look at the first one. 5x is equal to 3x plus 20. Now the strategy here is to isolate the x. So we want to get x by itself. At the moment, on the right-hand side, we've got this 3x with the 20. So preferably, I want to leave the 20 where it is and subtract the 3x from both sides. So I can remove the 3x from the right-hand side. So subtracting 3x from both sides will leave me with 2x is equal to just now 20. And now, because I've got 2 times x, I can divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 10. Okay? So essentially, if you're looking at one side of the equation, you're going, well, I've got the x with something else. If I subtract that 3x away, then I can have the 20 by itself, and then I can have just x's on the left-hand side. So that's really what I'm thinking about when I'm going through these equations. So let's try the second one. We have 6x is equal to 70 take away 4x. So again, I'm looking at that right-hand side and thinking, well, I've got a mixture of a constant term, 70, and this linear term, the 4x, or minus 4x. So what I want to do is get all the x's on one side. So if I add 4x to both sides, I can remove it from that side, and then I'll just have x's on the left-hand side. So adding 4x to both sides gets me 10x is equal to 70. And then I can divide both sides by 10, so x is equal to 7. Okay, so I'm trying to get the x's by themselves on one side of that equation. So let's take a look at number 3. We have 2x take away 14 is equal to 9x. So the two terms this time are on the left-hand side. No problem, no worry about that. And I've got x by itself, this 9x on the right-hand side. So if I were to subtract 2x from both sides, then it would get rid of it from this side, and then I would just have x's on the right-hand side. Okay, so I'm one step closer to my answer. I've got 7 times x, so let's divide both sides by 7, and we get that x has to be minus 2, and that's my answer. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether the two terms are on the right-hand side or on the left-hand side. I'm still going to use that same approach. So let's take a look at the last one. 3 take away 15x is equal to 6x. So I've got the 3 and the take away 15x on the left-hand side. So if I added 15x to both sides, it would remove the x's from the left-hand side, and then I'd have 6 plus 15, so 21x on the right-hand side. So if now I've got the 21x, I divide both sides by 21, then I get that x is equal to 3 over 21. Now that fraction can be simplified. Top and bottom can be divided by 3. So I get that x has to be 1 over 7. And that's my answer.